are pleased to show you the 2018 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation package, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, leather seats, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.